I have trained martial arts for around 10 years, out of which 7-8 years it was Wing Chun. And at the end of my career, so to say, in martial arts, I have thought about what is the most difficult bit about training martial arts, and I got an idea and I thought, wow, this is pretty radical, you know. So I decided to ask other guys I trained with and see if they have similar ideas or something very different. And surprisingly, I didn't tell them what my conclusion was, but they told me exactly the same thing. And it didn't matter whether they trained 15-20 years or whether they trained just a few years. So guess what it is? What is the most important aspect of training martial arts, especially if you're an amateur? But maybe for a professional is the same. I don't know, I trained obviously as an amateur, so what is it? Pause the video now if you need to think about it. So the answer is very simple, and at the same time it's very revealing. The most difficult bit is actually getting up from your chair or wherever you're sitting, packing your bag with all the stuff for the training and leaving home in order to go to the training. That's the most difficult bit. Everything else it's easy. You just travel, go to the place, change, start the training, finish the training, done and dusted. So what is the lesson here? Well, the lesson here is that sometimes the first step is the most difficult one. And every day, if you want to achieve something, you need to push yourself to do the first step. Whatever it is you want to achieve, whatever goal, you need to push yourself to do the first step, and then it's easy. Well, sometimes the first step is the easiest and then we fall down. In whatever the case is, we need to develop this ability to give ourselves a command, which is don't think, do. Don't think, do. I think I may have told you about this before, so I'm telling you again, don't think, do. It's really easy, really simple. Just do it, okay? Take care, see you soon.